Without knowledge,
ngaphandle kolwazi
our people perish.
abantu bayabhubha.
Uyahlala ke uJesu uthi if you knew.
Jesus says kuba ubuwazi.
And then at the very end he says I am he.
Mayiseqedela uthi nginguye.
Because clearly you don't know.
Impela wazi.
Going back to the book of 2 Timothy.
Ukubuyela impela encwadini ka2 Timothy.
If the vessels knew
Uma izitsha bezazi.
who the master is, who is in the great house with them,
Umninindlu omkhulu onabo endlini.
would they then not have
Bebengeke yini
cleansed themselves
bahlanza izitsha
from all the things that make them dishonorable?
kuzo zonke izinto ezibenza ukuthi bangatuseki?
Mhlambe, it's a problem of us not knowing.
Maybe inkinga ukuthi asazi.
Because all we are after,
Ngoba into esilandelayo
we are chasing being vessels.
sigijimela ukuba izitsha,
We are chasing doing the works.
sigijimela ukwenza imisebenzi.
Yet we fail to recognize,
Kodwa ke siyafeyila ukubona.
oh, but in a great house,
Kodwa endlini enkulu
yes, there are vessels,
yebo zikhona
but there is
izitsha.
also a master.
Kodwa kunomninindlu nakhona.
Niyamazi yini?
Do you know him?
Niyamazi
Do
yini?
you know him?
Ukhona yena.
He is here.
Whether you like it or not,
Noma
yena ukhona.
uyakuthanda noma ukuthandi.
The woman in Samaria
Lo sifazane eSamaria
had an opportunity
ube nethuba
to sit with Jesus,
ukuhlala noJesu,
be taught of the word,
afundiswe ngezwi.
and then she ran
Mase wagijima,
and was commissioned.
wase wanika umsebenzi.
This woman
Lo sifazane
did not run
akagijimanga
and tell the other Samaritans
atshela abanye baseSamaria
about Jesus.
ukuthi abatshele ngoJesu.
When he said to her, give me a drink,
Umethe nginikeza amanzi,
she sat,
wahlala
they
phansi,
had a conversation,
baba
he
nengxoxo,
revealed himself to her,
wazembula yena
and
kuye.
then from the revelation,
Kusuka kesambulweni
she ran.
wagijima. Oh,
In the revelation
esambulweni
that he gives her of himself,
amnikezile ngaye uqobo lwakhe.
he also confronts
Uphindile wabhekana
her sin.
wabhekana nesono sakhe. Oh Nkosi yami.
Yes, you are a vessel, and we're saying only the master can choose the vessel.
Yebo uyisitsha sithi umninindlu ongakhethi izitsha.
But know this one thing,
Kodwa yazi into yodwa.
he addresses the sin.
Uyabhekana ngqo
He
nesono.
doesn't like being with sin.
Akathanda ukuhlala nesono.
Hey, uthi be holy,
Uthi iba ngcwele
for I am holy.
ngoba mina ngingcwele.